So we have reached the end of the meeting and we have identified 2 actions. So the first one is to bring more chairs and the second is to book an innovation room. Is it okay for you? It's okay for me. No problem, it's okay for me. No problem, I'm okay. Hey, do you remember the action we have to perform? Does anyone take care of this? Oh, the action about bringing more tables, right, if I remember? Oh no, I have no news. Ah, me neither, I don't have any news. But it would be fine. Someone will take care of this action. Hello everybody, T.Dy, I love consulting. Today we will see how to follow and how to perform action defined at the end of a meeting. The first point, or the most important, is the one action must be owned by one and only one person with a due date. And of course, the action must be achievable by the defined person. First way to increase the budget, but I'm not in charge of the budget. So once the action defined and assigned, we have to follow them. There's several ways to follow actions, but I recommend you to use a tool. You can use Microsoft Excel to follow your action because Excel allows you to list all of your action with the assigned person or with the due date. This is very convenient, but the negative point is I think many people can't write and update the Excel files at the same time. The second type of tool that I recommend is the plan tools. It's just like you can find some Trello or Microsoft Planner. It's just like a Kanban board, but it's virtual, it's on your laptop. You can create tickets and tasks and assign them to a person with a due date, with a description, with details. You can also create some columns. For example, to do, in progress, and finished, done. And you can very easily move each task from step by step. It's very convenient. This type of tools is very convenient even if you have offshore team, because all of your team all over the world can update the progress at the same time by connecting and by logging to the tools and to move or update the task. The last type of tool that I can recommend you is a board, physical board. So the physical board is very convenient because you can add your action directly in your Kanban board if you work in Kanban inside your team, or add your task into a sprint if you work in a Scrum Agile in your team. So it's very convenient because you don't have to log in and to connect on your laptop to update your task. You just have to stand up and to go to the wall, to the board, and to move your task. But it's not convenient if you have offshore teams, because as a physical board, it can only be seen and be visible by the person in the office. Ideally, all the person have to feel responsible of the action and have to self-perform the action without anyone to ask and frequently ask again when do you perform your action. No, the idea is to have a self-managed and a self-organized team, which each person feels really responsible of the action and take care of the action until the end. But sometimes it's not the case, so that's why we have a Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is here to help the people self-organize and self-responsible themselves. So he's here to try to make them responsible of the action and perform them until the end. And if the person have really not self-organized and self-managed, you have to have one person who follow the actions. So in an agile team, in general is the Scrum Master. But if it's not an agile team, in general is the chief manager of the project manager. This is the end of the video. I hope that you like this. If it's the case, put some like, subscribe to my channel, put comments right below, or share this video to your family, to your friends, to your colleagues. And I say yo, bye bye, see you next time. Bye bye.